Dear students, I am your geography teacher, Dr. K. Singh from Green Valley MX School, Varanasi. Today I am going to discuss one of the most important chapters of your syllabus, that is factors affecting climate of India. So let us see what are the various factors which are affecting our Indian climate. These factors can be grouped into two categories, related to location and relief, and second related to air pressure and wind. So for the factors related to location and relief, they are latitude, altitude, relief, distance from sea, Himalayan mountain, and distribution of land and water. So for factors related to air pressure and wind, those are surface pressure and wind, upper air circulation and western cycle. So let us see one by one. This is latitude. These are the latitude. This is equator. This is Tropic of Cancer. Our country is located over here. That's why our climate is tropical type of climate, and over here temperate type of climate. So this is the climatic nature of our country because of this latitude. Next, this is the role of Himalaya. This is Himalaya. Actually, Himalaya is a climatic barrier for our country. These are monsoon winds which are being stopped over here by Himalaya and providing much of rainfall in our country. This is Siberian wind blowing in the winter season. So Himalaya protects us from this extreme cold wind of Siberian side, coming from Siberian side, as well as providing monsoon by checking this southwest monsoon. So this is the role of Himalaya. Next, distribution of land and water. See, all the areas which are located to the water body, near to the water body, say this is Bay of Bengal, this is Arabian Sea and Indian Ocean. So all these areas which are coastal areas. See, here stable type of climate is found. Those areas which are far away from the water body, there is high pressure in winter and low pressure in summer because of this location. They are far away from water body. Next factor, you see, this is distance from sea. Coastal area have equable type of climate, and interior part have extreme climate. What is equable climate? Neither too cold nor too hot, like Mumbai, Chennai, and Kolkata. Extreme climate, too cold and too hot. They are very hot during summer, very cold during winter, like Delhi. Next factor, you will see altitude. Any place which is situated on high altitude, temperature is decreasing over there. Say Agra and Darjeeling are situated on the same latitude, but Darjeeling is having high altitude. That's why there is very low temperature, and Agra is situated in plain area. That's why here a very extreme type of climate is found. Next factor, this is relief. This is Western Ghat and southwest monsoon is coming like this. So this is branch of Arabian Sea, southwest monsoon, and because of this Western Ghat receives high rainfall, but this area is in leeward side, so receive very less rainfall because we have orographic rainfall. So this is the result of relief. How does this relief is affecting this much rainfall? Next, surface wind. See, these are trade winds. These are trade winds, and how these trade winds are merging at the intertropical convergence zone. which is called ITCZ, and providing rainfall in our country. See, the rain winds, this is our country, how they are coming in our country like this, and then they will deflected towards right hand side in northern hemisphere according to Farrell's law. They will be deflected like this and providing rainfall in our country. Next, this is jet stream in summer. Summer jet stream are coming like this. Here, this is our Indian subcontinent. So all the clouds which are accumulated over here in the northeastern region of the country, they are coming from Assam to West Bengal, again to Bihar, UP, and like that. So this is the movement of monsoon. So movement of monsoon is being influenced by jet stream. See what is the position of winter jet stream. Next, this is jet stream in winter. See, just their direction is changing. Now they are westerly jet stream. In winter, summer they were easterly. Now they are westerly. They are coming like this from west to east in our country. That's why they are providing much rainfall by the temperate cyclones which are originated over here. This area is Mediterranean area, Mediterranean Sea. So all the temperate cyclones which are originated over here called western disturbances are providing rainfall in our country like this. So this is the role of jet stream in winter. Next factor, this is western disturbance. Western disturbance are cyclonic rainfall. Actually, these are the cyclones which are formed over here, Mediterranean Sea, because of the air masses. Cold air mass is coming like this, warm air mass is coming like this, and here is front. So they are such type of western disturbances are being originated over here and providing rainfall in our country. So these are the some factors related to climatic conditions of our country. Next,